category. We're back with Sheba, so we're working her on the recall. Sheba! Good girl. Good girl. So I'm starting the pager slightly before. Good girl. I'm rewarding right away. I'm not trying to get her to sit or do anything. When she gets there. Sheba! Good girl. Good girl. At this point, I want the dog to feel like I'm calling you because I have something for you. Not I'm calling you because it's some big conditional thing. Sheba! Good girl. Starting the pager slightly before, girl, and you're going to have it. There's not going to be any other way to get these dogs to come. Sheba! Sheba! Good girl. All right, girl. Update soon.